Today we're looking at page 3 of the Chapter 9 practice test. So number 7 up at the top, obviously a rectangle. And the first thing you want to do is write down the formula for the area of a rectangle, which is base times height. In this case, we have a 3.1 and a 10.5. So we punch it in the calculator and we get 3.1 times 10.5 is 32.55. This one is in miles squared. Same figure for number 8, same formula. So we want to do 4.5 times 5.8. Punch it in the calculator and we get 26.1. And this one is in centimeters squared. Number 9 is a parallelogram. Parallelogram has the same formula as a rectangle. So we're going to go area equals base times height. But this time it's turned on its side. So the base is 8 and the height is 6.3. So we simply take the calculator and multiply that out. I got 50.4, and that one is in kilometers squared. 10 is also parallelogram, so it's going to have the same formula. I'm going to plug in the base, which is 8, and the height, which is 3.8. Punch it in the calculator, and I got 30.4, and that one is in centimeters, so centimeters squared. Number 11 is a trapezoid. Trapezoids have a slightly different formula. You want to take base 1 and add it to base 2 and divide by 2. That gives you the average of the two bases and then multiply it by the height. So in this case we have base 1 of 4.1, base 2 of 1.1, all over 2 times a height of 3. Punch it in the calculator. I got 7.8, and that one is in kilometers squared. Number 12 is also a trapezoid, so it has the same formula. So I'm just going to punch it in. I've got a base of 2.8, another base of 8. Divide that by 2, multiply by a height of 7. Punch it in the calculator. I got 38 inches squared.